Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial on how to remotely view and utilize your LTS camera system using the application NVMS7000. This application is available on both Android and iPhone app stores. Once you download the app to your phone, you will be asked to complete some basic setup information upon first use. If you are a Camtech Solutions customer, please set your region as the USA. If you are a Camtech customer, you should have received a QR code for your users. All you have to do is click the Add button at the top right, select Scan QR Code, and scan or upload the QR code for your user to add your system into the application. If you do not have a QR code, click Manual Adding, and then enter an alias, such as your property name, set the register mode to IP/domain, enter either the remote IP address or DNS web link, your username and password, and then select the Save button. If you entered all the information correctly, the camera number should change to the amount of cameras on your system, and you should be able to select Start Live View. Let's review some of the options and settings on the Live View page. On the top menu bar, you can select a viewing setting. You can either view a single camera, 4 cameras, 9 cameras, or 16 cameras at once. Slide to the left or right on the view to toggle between cameras. Please note, the application can only show 32 cameras at a time, so if your system has more than 32 cameras, you will need to select which ones to view at a single time. Go to the top right icon to see the camera list. Under your device, you can select which cameras to turn the view on or off. If the icon on the right is blue, that means that camera is selected to be on. If it's gray, that means it's currently not being viewed. You can even group cameras together to create favorites for easier viewing. Simply select all the cameras you want, click the Add folder icon, and name your favorites, such as leasing. Then, under the Favorites tab, you can select your groups to view them. By toggling the icon on the right, you can view the cameras as either a list or an icon. Let's go over a few of the options on the menu bar. The first icon allows you to capture an image of a selected camera. You can tell which camera is selected by the yellow border around the box. When you press the icon, it takes a snapshot of the camera. You can view that in the Picture and Video folder. The second icon allows you to record again from a selected camera. You can use this feature both in the Live View and in the Playback setting. Once you've selected which camera you want to record, you press the button to start recording. You should see a blue R icon pop up on the camera. Let it record for as long as you like, and to stop recording, press the icon again. This will also be saved in the Picture and Video folder. The middle icon allows for PTZ control of PTZ cameras. Check out our channel for a separate video on how to use these settings on PTZ and license plate cameras. This icon allows you to adjust image quality. If you select a camera, you can toggle between a clear image quality, which will give you a clear high definition quality, or fluent. We recommend keeping it on fluent, as that way you will be able to see a continuous stream, whereas the clear image quality may cause the stream to come through choppy. We do not recommend editing any of the custom image quality, as we've already adjusted the settings on your cameras for optimized image quality. This last icon allows you to stop viewing all footage. When you press the button, all the footage will stop. To bring the live view back up, all you have to do is press the play button again, and all the footage will come back up. If you slide the menu bar over, you'll see a few more options. The first button is for sound control. If your cameras have an audio capability, you should be able to hear a sound when the camera is selected. In order to toggle that on and off, you simply press this button. that does not affect the camera's audio setting on the local system. It only turns it on or off on your mobile device. The second icon is for two-way audio output. Again, most of our cameras and systems do not have this setting, so you shouldn't need to worry about it. The middle icon is for alarm output control. You should not be messing with this setting as we've already set up your cameras to the needed settings. The magnifying glass symbol allows for digital zoom. Once you've selected a camera, you can click this icon and drag with your fingers on your phone to zoom into a particular area of that picture. Again, this does not change the camera recording settings. It simply allows you to zoom in on something if you need to look at it. This icon allows for fisheye expansion. However, this feature is only supported on LTS fisheye cameras. To view past footage from your system, click the menu and select Remote Playback. Click the camera list icon and select which cameras, up to 4, you want to view footage from and select the date and time range. Then click Start Playback. The footage will load beginning from the start date and time you selected. Using the timeline, you can hold and scroll through footage. The blue lines illustrate motion detection in the footage to help make scrolling easier. To record a clip, scroll to the specific date and time you want to start recording. As footage can only be recorded from one camera at a time, make sure you have the camera you want footage from selected. Press the clip icon and you should see a blue R icon pop up. Allow the clip to play through to the end of the footage you want. Please note that dragging the timeline at the bottom will cause the recording to stop. You can use the speed control settings while recording. Once you've played through to the end of the clip you want downloaded, press the clip icon again. You can view the clipped footage in the Pictures and Video menu tab. We do only recommend using the mobile app to clip short pieces of footage. For longer periods of footage, please use a PC or desktop computer. For more app assistance or to learn how to use the application, go to the main menu and hit the Configuration tab and click Help. Here you can find information about other features that the app may have.